soul. I asked my old granny, what is that I hear? She said that's that church house and revival's drawing near. Down beside the roadside where the saints all shout and sing, you can hear those guitars crying and the old church rafters ring. Down on the Green River, they ain't putting on no show. They're praying down heaven and they've got the Holy Ghost. It's down on the Green River where holy waters flow. It's down on the Green River. There's a move of the Holy Ghost. Sinners getting saved and the sick are getting healed. It's down on the Green River where God's power is real. Oh, yeah. Well, I grew a little older and I walked that gravel road, heard the tambourine shake and felt the fire down in my bones. The preacher hit the pulpit with that Bible in his hand, said Jesus still delivers and he'll save a dying man. I saw time conviction bring the proudest sinner down. I saw mama start rejoicing when their lost boys turned around. There was mud on my boots, but glory in my soul. Down on the Green River where the Holy Ghost still rolls. It's down on the Green River where holy waters flow. It's down on the Green River. There's a move of the Holy Ghost.